హలో వ్యూవర్స్, మొదటిసారిగా మీరు మా వీడియోస్ని చూస్తున్నట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
How are you? I hope you are doing well. Okay, today I am going to take one important problems in trigonometry chapter. This is based on the complementary angles. You know, sum of two angles of a triangle is 90 degrees, then each one angle is complement to the other. Based on complementary angles, I am discussing how the trigonometric ratios are changing. Look at here. Here I drawn one right angle triangle. One of the angle is taken as 90 degrees. One of the angle is theta, other angle is 90 degrees. If you added these three, you will get it as 180 degrees only. You know, generally sin theta definition is opposite side to theta. Generally here, from here onwards I am taking opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. According to the figure, you have write BC by AC. BC by AC. For the same, if you are taken for the, but for angle 90 degrees minus theta, 90 degrees minus theta wise I am writing here. What ratio I have taken? Sin of 90 minus theta. Formula does not change. Opposite side by hypotenuse. But you have to take 90 minus theta. Opposite side is what? What side is there? You have to see here. 90 minus theta opposite side is AB. AB. Hypotenuse does not change. So AB by AC. This is exactly equal to cos theta. See here, AB by AC means adjacent side by hypotenuse. So in place of AB by AC, you can write it as cos theta. That's why only we are saying sin 90 minus theta is always equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is always equal to cos theta. You have to see cos theta. General definition of cos theta is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. According to the figure, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, I am writing here AB by AC. But for an angle 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta wise you can see. 90 minus theta adjacent side is BC because on corner side BC outunna. So 90 minus theta adjacent side is BC. Hypotenuse does not change. AC has to BC by AC. For the exact figure, this is exactly equal to BC by AC is appearing. BC by AC is exactly equal to sin theta. Therefore, cos 90 minus theta is changes to sin theta. Finally, you can say therefore cos 90 minus theta is equal to how much? Sin theta. What is it? Tan theta. General definition of tan theta is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. For theta, opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. Therefore, I am writing BC by AC, BC by AB. But for an angle 90 minus theta, but the formula is does not change. That's why tan 90 minus theta is opposite side by adjacent side only. For 90 minus theta, opposite side is AB. 90 minus theta, adjacent side is BC. So I am writing AB by BC. This is exactly equal to, for the given figure, AB by BC is exactly equal to cot theta. That means adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. It is exactly equal to cot theta. Therefore, finally you can say tan of 90 minus theta is exactly equal to cot theta. How to see cosecant theta. General definition of cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. According to the figure, cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse is AC, theta opposite side is BC, AC by BC. Now I am writing for cosec 90 minus theta. Formula does not change, but if you observe, hypotenuse is as it is AC only. Opposite side to 90 minus theta. Opposite side to 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta opposite side is AB. So AC by AB. For the given figure, this is exactly equal to secant. AC by AB means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side is exactly equal to secant theta. Therefore, we got cosecant 90 minus theta is exactly equal to secant theta. Next, we have to see secant theta or sec theta. General definition is hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side to theta is AB, AC by AB. But for angle 90 minus theta, I am observing secant as it is 90 minus theta. In place of theta, I am writing 90 minus theta. Definition also as it is. But for 90 minus theta, hypotenuse is AC only. Adjacent side 90 minus theta, adjacent side is BC. AC by BC is exactly equal to cosecant theta for the given figure. Therefore, secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Next, cot theta. Cot theta general definition is adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Adjacent side to theta means theta adjacent side is AB, theta opposite side is BC, AB by BC. But for an angle 90 minus theta, I am writing cot 90 minus theta is equal to, definition does not change, adjacent side to 90 minus theta by opposite side to 90 minus theta and rasko. 90 minus theta adjacent side is BC, 90 minus theta opposite side is AB, BC by AB. BC by AB is, for original figure, BC by AB is exactly equal to tan theta. Therefore, cot 90 minus theta degrees is equal to tan theta. By this, you have to declare that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos 90 cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. By using of this number of problems we are working out in next class. Thank you to all.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell icon for a new video update.